Here's a great way to deep clean your kitchen cabinets like a pro. All right, first step, you always gotta make sure you get rid of small and movable items underneath the kitchen cabinets. So here's what you need to get the job done effectively. First, you need a good quality degreaser. As I said before, it does not need to be Dawn dish soap. I just like it because I feel like it works well, but there's lots of other degreasing products that you can use. Then you're gonna need 3 microfiber cloths. And remember, color coding for the kitchen, green like salad. And if you got really dirty kitchen cabinets, you might want to consider vacuuming the heavy dust and pet fur or anything like that before you start the cleaning process. The first thing you want to do is always thoroughly dust the whole thing. Again, remember, if you have something that is very dusty and full of pet fur and grease, using a vacuum attachment is a good approach to get it prepped before you start cleaning process. But the thing with the microfiber cloths is if it's not that bad, you can easily dust and get it ready for the cleaning. Remember, always work top to bottom, left to right. So start the process of thoroughly dusting everything, top to bottom, left to right. Once you've completed the dusting process, now you're gonna move on to the washing process. So simply take your microfiber cloth and dip it in the lukewarm water with Dawn dish soap and make sure to thoroughly wash the entire thing. Now that you thoroughly degreased the entire thing, it's time to take the other microfiber cloth that is completely dry and thoroughly dry everything and buff everything out and make sure there is no residue left behind from the Dawn dish soap. So what you can do is take this part of your hand here and go around and feel it, because if there's any sort of grease left behind, you will feel it, and then just repeat that process. But make sure you leave great results. And of course, make sure to sanitize all the handles and make them shine so they look brand new again. And once you completed everything, the final step is doing an eye level test, looking at everything from different angles, making sure that there is nothing left behind and you have super clean kitchen cabinets.